Hello from Adelaide. My name is James Kinder, and I'm just making this video to say a massive thank you to Scott Walker, who over the past few weeks has provided me with 3 Unity Field healing sessions. It's quite the experience. Many cool different little things that happened during each session, but I guess overall it turned out that Scott and I both focused on my heart space, as in recent times I've realized that is a space that I need to work on. And this week I've had tremendous breakthroughs with my heart space, and amazing feelings of love and compassion. And I just want to say thank you to Scott for such an amazing experience with the Unity Field healing sessions.